Hello and welcome to another Mimic Simulator Web Services video. As you know, Mimic version 14.00 includes the new optional web module that simulates the standard web services via SOAP and XML and allows you to easily develop and test your web-based clients, management, and monitoring applications. In this video, we will simulate a Cisco Unified Communications Manager and use the EMC Smarts VoIP Manager application designed for IP telephony management to discover and administrate a set number of IP phones. In the main canvas area of Mimic View, we have already configured a number of devices to support the web module. Let's take a look at the agent configuration at IP address 192.9.200.243. From the Configure Agents Advanced pane, the Web Services module is enabled. From the Web Configuration pane, the optional port parameter specifies the port at which the server will be listening. Web simulations support the Web Services Description Language, or WSDL file, for the description of the services, whereas the rule file governs the web sessions to the agent, which in effect implements a pattern match against web requests. Each rule consists of a regular expression that is matched against the URL in the request and response that is replied. This rule file was created to simulate a CUCM service to track a set number of IP phones. For secure transactions, we have provided an SSL certificate file. All other parameters will remain as default. Now let's demonstrate and test, for example, EMC Smarts discovery mechanism for a VoIP infrastructure. First, let's start the agent. From EMC Smarts Network Manager, we will connect to the simulated CUCM server agent at IP address 192.9.200.243. Okay, the next step is to discover the Mimic simulated VoIP network. Now observe the VoIP AM Cisco Manager panel. At the conclusion of the discovery, we should see the addition of an IP phone class. From the Domain Manager Administration Console, select Topology, Discover All to initiate discovery. This will take a few moments, so please stand by. Web tracing has been enabled for the simulation and allows us to view the SOAP protocol transactions between the client and the simulated server within the log view. With the discovery complete, let's go back and look at the VoIP Manager panel. We can now see the IP phone class has been added. In addition, we can see each of the IP phone instances and the corresponding attributes. With Mimic Simulator, there are many ways to customize a web services simulation at runtime to create the dynamic test scenario you may require as part of your application testing. For example, we can change the set number of IP phones, as discovered by Smarts, from 5 to 20, all through the use of an agent script. Right mouse click on the simulated server at IP address 192.9.200.243 and select Scripts. From the Run Script dialog, we will choose the tickle script mimic number of phones. Enter an argument for the number of phones. We will choose 20. Then click OK. After the script executes, we will close out the Mimic log view, and then initiate another discovery. Again, this will take a few moments, so please stand by. You see the transaction, the SOAP protocol transaction between the server and the client. With the discovery complete, we can go back to EMC Smarts and now see under the IP phone class, from the original 5 instances of the phone, we have a total of 20. This all done dynamically with the use of an action script. With the Mimic Web Services module, you have a virtual and scalable environment that can be used to create a variety of scenarios as a means to test your web client applications. Thanks for watching.